Hello YouTube, my name's Tim and welcome to my kitchen. Today, in my first video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily prepare a beautiful side dish of roasted green beans with lemon, pine nuts and parmesan. So I hope you enjoy. This dish, after a little bit of preparation, is extremely easy to prepare and it's definitely worthwhile. Why? Because you've got the beautiful combination of flavours and textures. You have the caramelized green beans partnered with the acidity of the lemon, with the crunchiness of the pine nuts, and that nutty taste which comes from the parmesan. Whether you're cooking for yourself, a friend, this is good enough for date night. Yeah, definitely good enough. Check out this video and hopefully you'll be making it too at home. Now, everything is in the oven. It's going to take about 20 minutes to roast. After 10 minutes, I'd like you to take them out and give them a turn and make sure they're cooking evenly. This 10 minutes gives you a great opportunity to do two things. I'm going to show you how you can be toasting your pine nuts and knocking together a very simple vinaigrette, which is going to be beautiful to accompany. You want to have a frying pan. You're going to be toasting them dry. You need to keep an eye on them. You heat the pan to a medium heat and keep moving them while they're cooking. It should take about 3 minutes, but if you see them turning, you'll be able to smell the aroma as they're toasting. But if they look like they're going too brown, get them off. Everything about this looks absolutely fantastic. I love that this only took me half an hour to make, so I hope you've seen how easy it is. As said, it's my first video on YouTube. You know, video editing, getting the camera right, putting myself out there, talking to you has taken a little bit of time. So any feedback you have, I would love to see it in the comments. If you enjoy it, hit that like, smash that subscribe, and you'll be the first person to know when I drop new videos on my channel.